Did you know that the Whispering Waterfall in Iceland is not just a visual marvel, but an acoustic wonder too? This waterfall, known as Gljúfrabúi, creates a unique sound phenomenon. As water cascades down, it produces a low-frequency hum that can only be heard when you stand at a specific angle. Scientists believe this is due to the waterfall's unique rock formations, which amplify certain sound waves. This natural symphony is so precise that it can even mimic the sound of a whispering voice. Next time you visit, listen closely, like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating facts.